bought this air compressor on internet, and I'll just show you it. It's a Wolf Swede 25 litre air compressor and it's a good enough product, but one of the biggest problems I think this is associated with any type of air compressor you buy is lack of instructions. There is an instruction book with it, but unfortunately it's not. If you've never used an air compressor before, something like this can be pretty intimidating, and I'd never used one before I purchased this, so what I'm going to do is explain everything. Thing is, when you get this, these are seriously heavy. It's 22 kilos, and when you get the thing itself, it comes in a fairly big box, and it's about half as big as a Mini, probably. Might be exaggerating a bit. Your box is about a foot higher than your actual compressor. So if you can imagine this big box, and it's about a foot wider than Compressor's box. And another thing about these is they are loud. 97 decibels. It's a good product, and if you're like me, you're a backyard amateur, getting one of these for the first time can be fairly intimidating. If one of these explodes, it's pretty serious because it's reinforced metal is that. And what you've got is you've got this blow plug on end, and if the thing gets too much pressure, that just shoots out, which is a good thing. And one thing that's not explained in instructions in any form of a useful diagram is this thing here. Do not start this compressor until you have removed the travel plug and fitted the air filter. And instructions don't tell you what that is. I will. This is your air filter. Behind here you'll find a plastic plug which can be prized out with a screwdriver or a pair of pliers, and I'll just show you what this consists of. All that is like on your car, it's just a filter element, and it just bolts onto there basically. So when you get your compressor, what you need to do is you need to take the plastic plug out of here and bolt this thing on, so in it whatever way you want. And also there'll be a warning notice on here telling you to take this plug out and fill it with oil. There is a bottle of oil supplied with this machine, fortunately, so what instructions don't explain properly is there's also a sight glass. It's like a bit with a Suzuki motorcycle, and when you fill your compressor with oil, you fill it up to this level here. This red marker. Just fill it up to red marker, you should be alright. Just connect up your airlines, snap fit airlines. Just clip into place. Also with this product you get your accessories, your I can't be bothered picking up your spray guns. You get all your accessories and they're easy to fit up to your airline. These things just simply clip on like that, snap into place, and you listen to that, you're in business, apparently. What else can I say about this machine? It's a great product. It's 2.5 horsepower, very loud, so if you got it in your flat like I have, neighbours might start moaning. And one pitfall is I got an air ratchet from Machine Mart and the bloody thing won't fit, connectors won't fit, so I've just purchased one from people who sold me this, and hopefully the bloody thing will fit. I won't power it up because it's a residential flat. I think the only no git is in upstairs. But 97 decibels is incredibly loud. And that's it basically. It comes with this on-off switch, which isn't great. It's a bit flimsy in my opinion. There's a regulator. Maximum working pressure is 116 psi on this model, which is adequate. And I'll just give you a close-up at gauge. Right, maximum working pressure is 8 bar, but as you can see it's redlined at 8 bar, so I won't necessarily let it creep over that. It's marked off in PSI. It's probably European standard, British standard. Marked off 270, but maximum working pressure is 115 for this model. And that's it basically. I hope I've explained everything, but if you want to know, I'll just use comments section on YouTube, and hopefully we'll sort something out.